everyone. How's everyone doing? I know you're staying at home and I know you're staying safe. So today we're going to do an activity. It's a mindfulness activity and we're going to use our senses. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is being aware and paying attention to the present moment. Okay? So we know in the present moment what our bodies feel like. Are we calm? Are we angry? Are we happy? It's being aware of now. Okay? It's not worrying about tomorrow. It's not thinking about yesterday. It's being aware of now. So there's activities you can do to help you with your mindfulness. Okay? So the first activity we're going to do is we're going to be using our senses. We're going to be using our eyes and our ears. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a nice deep breath. So we're going to get our bodies centered and calm. Okay? So we're going to take a nice deep breath in through our nose. So we're going to smell the flowers. And then we're going to blow out the candles. So we're going to do that one more time. Smell the flowers. Okay? So that helps our body to be centered, to be calm, to help us pay attention better. Okay. So the first activity we're going to do is with our ears. So I'm going to hit my gong, okay? So I have a gong, okay? And I'm going to strike it. And what I want you to do is notice when you don't hear the sound anymore. Okay, so you really have to listen, okay? So here I go. Could you notice when you stopped hearing the sound? Okay. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time, okay? Okay, that's one activity. You can do that with any kind of sound. Okay? Next, we're going to notice sounds around us. So you can be inside doing this activity. You could be outside. You could be in the car. You could be in the bathtub. It doesn't matter where you are. There's sounds always around us. So I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to notice what you hear. Do you hear sounds that are far away? If you're inside, do you hear anything outside? Do you hear anything that's close by? Do you hear a sound that's constant? It's not stopping? Do you hear a sound that's changing. So it sounds one way and then it changes to another kind of sound. Do you hear a loud sound anywhere? Do you hear any soft sounds? So this is an activity you can do inside or outside. And it's fun to do it outside because you hear a lot of nature sounds. Okay, so then the next activity, we're going to use our eyes. So open your eyes, look around where you are. Maybe you're inside, maybe you're outside on a porch. And what do you notice? Do you notice certain shapes? Do you see any circles or rectangles? What kind of shapes do you see around you? Sometimes the furniture is a certain shape. Pictures on the wall are a certain shape. So look around and see what you notice. What colors do you see? Do you see bright colors? Do you see dark colors? Do you see any shadows? Just look around. Do you see anything really big where you are? Or something really tiny? Is there anything around you that you've never noticed before? Look around. Maybe there's something in your room you've never noticed before. This is just 2 examples of different games you can play while you're home to help with your mindfulness, to help with being aware of yourself and your environment at the present moment. You can play inside, outside, so have fun. You can write down your answers if you want. You can play the game with mom or dad or with a brother or a sister and see how many things you can notice. Okay, I'll talk to you next time.